Let's discuss replacing the idle air control motor on this 2001 Honda Odyssey with a 3.5 liter engine. Now the IAC, as it's referred to, is mounted on the bottom side of the throttle body. So we've got a couple different options here. First, you could remove the throttle body and swing it out of the way, or you can do as we've done here and remove the entire intake manifold. By removing the entire intake manifold, it allows us to do some other projects here, as well as mount it in the vise. So it's pretty straightforward. We've got a coolant passageway here. We've removed the hose from this, obviously, and now we've got two Phillips head screws holding this thing down. Now, depending on the mileage and the condition of the vehicle, it might be a little more difficult to remove the screws on some different applications here. This one here, we were fortunate. The screws are coming up, and we were able to remove both screws successfully. Now we might need to do a little tapping on the unit itself and remove it. And now there's a gasket here which you're going to want to remove and install the new one that comes with the new unit. So we will carefully install that one in there, make sure it lines up properly. We'll take our new idle air control valve, which looks identical to the original one. That's always a good sign. Now that we've got our new IAC in place, we take our screws and start them by finger, and we'll run them down the rest of the way here with our Phillips head screwdriver. Once we're done with this, we're going to install it back in the vehicle, and we will make all our connections. We'll bolt down the intake manifold, and while this is at this condition, it's not a bad idea to clean out the throttle body. And then we're going to want to do an idle relearn when it's back on the vehicle. The proper idle relearn procedure for this vehicle is to let the vehicle run until the cooling fan comes on and off, indicating it's been fully warmed up. And then you're going to want to let it sit in idle for 2 minutes in the park position with the AC off, and then again for 2 minutes in the park position with the air conditioning on, and then put it in gear for 2 minutes with the air conditioning on, and 2 minutes in gear again with the air conditioning off, and then drive the vehicle in order to let the idle air control valve relearn its new positions.